to my channel. In this video, we will learn about Highchart. Highchart is very popular chart library. It is also used by many big tech companies. It allows you to represent your big data into a visual format. You can use the 2D charts, 3D charts, and there are a lot of different customization and options available in this library. So in this video, we will actually use Highchart NPM package in our Next.js app. So in Next.js app, we will create component using this NPM package, and we will create different charts. We will also use the customization, and we will also create many different 2D and 3D charts. So let's start. You can search through different libraries and packages. So basically I put charts into npm packages search, and there are so many popular libraries available. The one is chart.js, that's the most popular library, and react chart.js, that's a wrapper available, but it doesn't allow you to have 3D charts out of the box. Then there is a Apache eCharts. It's also available. It allows you to have 3D column charts, bar charts, pie charts. So that's a good option. Recharts is again a popular library. So it's basically React plus D3 chart library. And there is also Highcharts. Only two libraries so far, eCharts and Highcharts. These are the two libraries allow you to have 3D charts. Otherwise, chart.js and recharts, those are most popular libraries out there. So basically, you have to look into the requirements, which fits you best. 3D, I would recommend to go with Highcharts. If it's only 2D charts, chart.js and React for chart.js, it's best for you. So let's get started with Highcharts. How we can install it, how we should use it, how we can create different components out of it, and how we can utilize its customization capability. So let's start. And package page, and it shows you how you should um, install the package, and it also, when you click here, it gives you this highcharts.com documentation page, and where you can basically see the code, how you should implement it. So we will try different charts, but first we will start with the 3D column chart, and it shows like different car brands. So we'll use that one as an example and implement into our Next.js app. So this is basically a JavaScript code. It shows you like editing CodePen or JS So this is a simple HTML CSS, but we will use we will create the component, and we will use into our Next.js app. So let's start. First, we will install the package, and then we will start configuring the chart options and create the bar chart.js a component file. So basically under component, I created bar chart.js. Now first we will just export the component first. So export default a function, and I'm going to put bar chart, and we will just return div, and in this div we need to create the 3D bar chart, and we will just have here, this is 3D bar chart. Now we need to import this, and then we will just display it as text, and then we will start building our bar chart. We already have the bar chart component ready. We will just import it, and we will see how it looks. For now, we will just edit the text. so we won't see anything else, but let's try. Chart, that's how it shows now. And the component code, so for that you can look into Highchart website. They have example how you can implement it, so we will go through it. So here they are giving us a step-to-step guide how we can create the app and how we can install this wrapper and everything. But we already have the app installed and everything is ready, so we basically can just use the example here. So they have a line chart example. We will just open it. This is the example. We will first copy this and then modify the options for the 3D bar chart. So few things we need to do is like we need to just import. So now everything is ready. The next step is we need to provide the options and very minor configurations like which data we are going to use, which type chart we are going to use, and like chart is type is spline, and then these are the data, very simple data. So that is, and then we need to use the component. um, so right now it's not the 3D chart, so it's not 3D chart. We basically copied line chart component, and we will first test this and then we will change the option. Okay, so now our chart is ready. Now we need to go to the 3D example. So here is a 3D column example, and what we need to do is like here you can see view options. So we are going to do this, like we have option this, and type here we are going to say option 3D, then enable true, and these are just configurations for how we want to show which angle, like 3D, but what type of angles we want to show. So that's basically we are putting all right, so I'm putting all the here. This is title, this is series, and that's it. We might need to provide the container to provide the 3D component. That's the only part left. We already updated the type and the 3D options. So all we need to do is to import the 3D component. Highcharts 3D, ops 3D, and from Highcharts and Highcharts 3D. So this is the option we will import, and we need to just render that Highcharts into the 3D form. The Highchart 3D component, and all we do is like we just render Highcharts 3D format. So basically it will render as a Highchart and it will show us as a, so this is how it looks. Basically we can definitely adjust customize colors, customize look, chart, horizontal bar charts. So there are a lot of options and we can add different functionalities as well. So we will continue this series and we will work on different customization formats and also the export the view or print the view functionality in our next video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video.